NVNI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Easy to buy. I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And when I'm saying this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. It's not the truth. Like, I myself am still ultimately looking to buy this market, you know, because after this pump, I'm just willing to squeeze the most juice that I can out of this. Pre-market is a little bit lower. I mean, at the time of making this video, it's being made at 5:19 a.m. Eastern time. And I mean, that's fair. Even if it goes down, I mean, the reality that if I don't see a double break, I'm still not going to look to take things further higher, you know, simple. So that's how NVNI is looking like. I've got a bunch of receipts with NVNI as well, with about 3 results here. So that's Gucci. But yeah, ultimately, if this is why I'm whiting, you know, that's a typo, but I'm just waiting for rules, and if they're not met, I'm not buying or moving forward. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.